Peek-a-boo. Where is my baby? Where are you? I can't see you. What shall I do? 1, 2, 3. Is it you that I see? Yes, it's true. Peek-a-boo. Hi, you must be wondering as to why I am singing this song. Well, I'm sure if you have a baby or a toddler in your lives, you know that Peek-a-boo is one of the most popular games, and not just popular, also a favorite. So what's so great about Peek-a-boo? What's so great about this simple game, and why do children love it so much? I'll tell you more about it after I play an extended version of the game with you all. If you have a baby or a toddler, you can do this, and you must do this. You'll need a few things with you. Maybe a stuffed toy like this, a towel or a scarf, a hat maybe. If a scarf or a towel is not available, another toy or maybe even a book of the child's. Okay. Now what you need to do is place the child in a comfortable space and a safe space. If you have a toddler, usually the floor is the safest space for a toddler. If you're doing this with a baby, then you could do this in the cot, you could do it on the bed. So just make sure that the baby is comfortable. Now what we're going to do is make sure that the baby is in plain sight, the baby can see you. And this is how you start the game. So take the teddy bear and take the scarf and cover the teddy bear's face with the scarf. Make sure that the baby sees you doing all this. Toddlers are usually distracted, but when they see you doing something like this, they get curious and they stop and they watch. Once you've covered the teddy bear's face with the scarf or even the hat, whatever you have available, start singing the song that I sang at the beginning of this video. Where is the teddy? Where are you? I can't see you. What shall I do? 1, 2, 3. Is it you that I see? Yes, it's true. Peek-a-boo. And then watch the child's face. Then take the scarf and do the same with your face. Cover yourself, sing the song and go boo. And then you can pick up another toy or maybe the child's book and cover it up like that. Now when you've done this a couple of times and suppose you've come to the toy, wait for the child to pull the scarf away. Sometimes babies get very excited, they get very curious, especially toddlers. It really depends on the age of the child you're playing this game with. So the toddler will pull it off at once and there'll be a lot of laughing and giggling. The baby, however, if you're doing it with a little baby, may take a little time to catch on what is happening. So you may need to guide the baby's hand and pull the scarf off. And then play this game several times, repeat it several times. Where is the teddy? Where are you? I can't see you. What shall I do? 1, 2, 3. Is it you that I see? Yes, it's true. Peek-a-boo. You want to do more? Okay. There is my baby, where are you? I can't see you, what shall I do? 1, 2, 3. Is it you that I see? Yes, it's true. Peek-a. Say boo. Boo. Let's hide. Is the monkey there? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where is the monkey? Where are you? I can't see you. What shall I do? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Peek-a. Where's Peek-a? Boo! Show the monkey to everybody. Where's the monkey? Yes. process, you could also use the scarf to cover the baby's face. Now do this only once the baby is familiar with the game. Otherwise, it can get a little disconcerting for the child. And once the child is familiar with the game, then cover the baby's face and pull it off and sing the song. Put it on yourself. Okay, where is my baby? Where are you? I can't see you. What shall I do? 1, 2, 3, and you yes, it's a Pika. Boo! So what's happening in this simple game of Peekaboo? Peekaboo is a fantastic game. And when you play this simple game, then there are many things that are going on. The game stimulates the senses of your baby. It enhances visual tracking. It also encourages gross and fine motor skills. It encourages early language development. It encourages social emotional learning. And it also tickles the sense of humor of your child. But another very important thing is happening when you're playing Peekaboo with your child. There is something called object permanence. And this is a game that really strengthens that. So what does object permanence mean? It means that I'm here, but when I'm hidden behind the scarf, to the baby, I am not there. But the moment I put the scarf like this, I pull it off, I'm still here. So when I do this with the teddy bear, when I do this with the book or any other toys of the baby tends to figure out that, hey, I can't see this stuff, but this stuff is still there. I can't see mom, but mom's smiling in loving faces right here behind the scarf. And this is a fantastic takeaway of this exercise or game called Peekaboo. It works enormously in building the social emotional strengths of your child, building confidence of your child, and trust. Also, playing games has a fantastic effect on your child's brain structurally, and also it helps your child's brain develop in many ways. It enhances the neuroplasticity of the child's brain, the neurogenesis of your child's brain, and there is something called a synapse or neuro or brain connections in your child's brain. They play a major role in building the child's IQ and intelligence. So, did I hear somebody saying, what's the big deal about Peekaboo? It's just a simple game? Think twice before you say that.